Hey, hi, welcome. My name is Raphael Gabriels. Okay, I want to show you how to use skill.sch. So, the first thing you're going to do is to click the Get Started button. And when you click the Get Started button, you're going to sign up. Okay, your name, your email, your password, and boom, sign up. And it will ask you to onboard. When you finish onboarding, it will it will ask you to sign in, and after you sign in, it will bring you to a place like this. Okay, you're gonna see something like this. I'm the admin. That's why you're looking at my screen like this. Okay, so I have a few things I want to show you. The first ones are the ones under. The first one is Cloud Labs. Okay, what are Cloud Labs? At the end of every class at skill.sch, we have something like this that is attached that we call Cloud Lab. They help to make you understand the topic much better. Let's assume that the topic for that day was inside.git, okay, which is this one. Oops, sorry, I need to open it from inside. Okay, so Cloud Lab. So you just saw what happened. It means that if you're not our student, you cannot use any of our materials. Okay, so a Cloud Lab. This is the Cloud Lab I clicked on earlier on. So you see how it is with step-by-step instruction to strengthen your muscle memory, to make you learn the proper way. Okay, so if I click test, so you can actually test these things before you start running them on your VS Code. Okay, so at the end of the whole thing, you need to push to your GitHub. So if you want to have a lot of projects on your GitHub, you need to work with us. Okay, so let me go to my dashboard and open another button. So there are a lot of things here. Let me show you this one. We call it Cloud Studio. So let's assume I just finished teaching Docker and you want to practice more. You can just come here and come and practice. Okay, so the question here says how many containers are currently running. If I do Docker PS, it will show me the containers that are running. Hit enter. You can see I have 3. I can just type the number here and hit check. Okay, it says 3. So this is how we learn at skill.sch. Okay, so we have a lot of other items. We have a lot of other things. Okay, so the last one I'm going to explain, it's SS Cloud. So we know that one of the biggest problems the students get, okay, when they're learning these things is, one of the biggest problems they get is with the cloud platform free trial. Okay, so we have simulated all the functions. Okay, we have simulated this. So if you're good with CLI, you can use Docker Compose to create whatever you need to create. So we have simulated all the functions. Let's assume that you want to work with GUI. You can actually create things just the same way you create it. If I run through this, it will actually create a virtual machine for you. Okay, but I want to explain some other things to you, so I'm not going to go through with that. Okay, so this is SS Cloud. I want to show you our classroom experience. Let me go to course library. So our popular offering is Bootcamp Pro, and we have a cohort that is coming up next week Saturday. So if you sign up, you'll be able to learn. We have track 1, track 2, track 3 with a bonus track, and it's just for 350,000 naira. You'll be able to learn all this. So let me show you how our track 1 is. So this is our track 1. Track 1s are usually on Saturday, then track 1 and track 2 run concurrently. Track 1 is on Saturday, track 2 is on Sunday. Okay, so we have videos. If you want to watch our video, you need to click this button. So let's assume this is Cloud Concepts. So let's assume this particular one, you can see that there's a video attached. Now, most times, it can also be the class video. Okay, so there will always be a video. If you click this, it will play. And at the end of the day, if you want to interact with the CLI, let's assume that there are CLI things. Just type. Let's assume it's git version. If I click run, you can see that the terminal actually works. Okay, so we have a lot of other things. I'll see you. Sign up with us. We have a lot of other things.